Strings of gold, they blur and hum. Faster, faster, here they come.
Alright, imagine this. You just finished producing a track, maybe in FL Studio, Ableton, Logic, or maybe with AI. Doesn't matter. The problem is simple. A song without visuals is hard to push online. People see first, then they listen. So today I'm testing something very specific. Can Beatviz turn a track into a publish-ready music video without heavy editing? Let's find out. I'm on the Beatviz homepage. At the top it says Music to Video instantly with Beatviz. In the center there's a large input box and two buttons, Try AI Music Video Agent and Create Custom Video. Since most people want the fastest workflow, I'm clicking Try AI Music Video Agent. Now we're inside the dashboard. The interface is clean and dark. In the middle it says, Hello, how can I help you? At the top I see Simple Mode and Custom Mode, Beta. For this first test I'm staying in Simple Mode. First step, add music. On the left side, there's a button called Add Music. I click it. Now I have two options. I can either upload the file from my computer or paste a Suno link. If your track was exported from your DAW, just choose Local Upload. But if the music was generated in Suno, you can simply paste the link here. For this example, I'm uploading an MP3 directly from my computer. The track is loaded, and now I can see the waveform. This part is important. I don't have to generate visuals for the entire song. Instead, I can select only the part I want. So I drag across the waveform and select the energetic section at the beginning, roughly the first minute of the track, where the drop happens. This keeps the output focused, and it also saves credits. Below that, there's a box that says, Describe the music video effect you want, and it's marked as optional. So for this first test, I'm leaving it empty. I just want to see how well the agent handles everything on its own. Next, I check Content Mode. It's currently set to Storytelling. The drop-down also shows Singing, Dancing, Abstract, and Storytelling is Cinematic and Narrative. Singing is more performance-focused. Dancing emphasizes motion. Abstract leans toward visualizer-style output. Now the technical settings. Resolution, 720p or 1080p. Aspect ratio, 16:9 or 9:16. For YouTube, 16:9 makes sense. For shorts or reels, 9:16. I'm keeping 16:9. There's also mode, standard, or pro. And quality, faster quality. For testing, fast is fine. For final output, you might switch to higher quality. For now, I'm running a quick test. Everything's ready. I click Generate Video. At the top, it says, Your video is being generated. This process takes approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Please keep this page open. Now Beatviz starts building the video in 8-second segments. I see segment 1, segment 2, segment 3, and so on. Under each segment, there's an automatically generated prompt. Even though I didn't write one, the agent analyzes the music and creates cinematic instructions for each scene. It's basically directing the video for you. Video generation completed. Below that is the final video player. Under the player, 2 clear buttons. Download video and share video, so I can export immediately. Now quickly on pricing, there's a free plan, limited credits, limited duration, good for testing. Then basic for more monthly credits. Pro is where it becomes practical for regular creators, especially with 1080p exports. And creator is designed for high volume usage with larger credit limits. Here's my honest takeaway. Beatviz isn't just a one-click generator. You can let the agent handle everything automatically, or you can go deeper, edit individual segment prompts, regenerate specific clips, control start and end frames, and even generate custom AI image frames. That mix of automation and control is what makes it interesting. If you're a producer who doesn't want to spend hours editing visuals, or a content creator who needs fast music videos, this can genuinely save time. What I'd be curious to test next is generating the same section again, but this time fully guiding it with a detailed prompt and comparing the difference, because that's where we really see how much control this tool gives us.